Okay, so what we've got here is a Mercedes GLE 2014. It is installed with the Starline M66 Immobiliser system. So the vehicle will not start if you do not disarm the system with the tag. So if a thief copies and closes your key, they will not be able to start the vehicle. So I'm turning the key, vehicle will not start. It is fully immobilized. So the system will also call you to let you know someone's trying to start the vehicle. Alright, so you need to have the tag to be able to disarm the system. So let's toss that. Alright, so this is the tag here. So you need to have this tag with you, and you turn the system off by pressing it, and it will turn the system off. And now you're able to start the vehicle as normal. System comes with a full smartphone app included. You got tracking, remote controlling of the immobilizer, remote immobilization, and service mode. If you want this installed on your GLE, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.